All right, so beautiful, wonderful, enjoyable Friday. Thank God it's Friday.
You be like say that like
time
this
to rest. No, I didn't happy. Say time always for me to rest. Make her they scream, make her they raise my head up.
Friday, ready to swim, pick up my girls. Woo!
So now who is that?
Right. It's alright. Shiny thing na Friday.
All over Obodo world, when people they groove, say then they joyous of something. Now like this, they go first. When they pay like 5 billion in your account, now you go say, hey!
Okay, never read that. Hey! But actually, they have to say today na Friday and our time to rest. And today na our comedy Friday. So we go get one confirmed person. We go join us inside the studio and we get funny video of the day. We get our celebrity totori. We get some kind of relationship and marriage tips them where you need to hear. And our cocoa of the day today there for you to check your mouth inside. Not forget say Facebook day there for you, Talk Wazobia. Twitter today there for you at Talk Wazobia. My name is joliment and the ladies, them intelligent, beautiful ladies, going to cover themselves one by each.
Thank God she no wash us today.
That is introduction.
Yes, sir. Now welcome. Friday, my favorite day of the week because everybody get the opportunity to put their hair down. Yeah. My name is Betiana. Una welcome to Talk.
And my name still remain Amaka Okudia for no change.
All right, my people, Nadia, my own name still remain Queen B.
Abalo.
Abalo. All right, you know, every Friday before we actually kick them off with certificates for hand, we're going to need to give you our celebrity totori of the day. And ladies, who is our celebrity totori?
Let them wash it.
Let them wash it.
Oh, yeah, no.
Let's go there. Play out the video.
Ohimai Atafo, where everybody sabi as Mai Atafo, na award-winning Nigerian male designer, will be Oga and founder of Mai Atafo Inspire Clothing Outfit. They be born for Beleive, Osun State, and is spending early life for Lagos. He grew up for one large family of 6 brothers and 2 sisters. He attended University Staff School for Benin and the competitive follow no be small thing. In play sports, act for school play, in Chook body for entertainment industry too. In go secondary school for Federal Government College, Idoani, Ondo State, and later in go Edo University, where in complete school, can get degree for agroeconomics. After he done graduate, in carry waka comot for Obodo Naija, enter Obodo Ibu, where he get masters for information system and technology for City University UK. He don work for plenty companies for inside Naija. The design wey my Atafo dey do na everyday design. People where they always look wetin mind the design. Quick know say he get special interest for color blue. Not be only color blue he get interest for. In bridal line wey be wedding by Mai also they very special to him heart. The collections wey in launch for 2011 continue to dey grow big every year. Mine are the correct brain behind some of your ogbonge celebrity suit swags plus yanga dem. He don design people like Banky W and Funke Akindele for 2012. They don recognize Atafo for around Africa as a contribute for fashion design and style. From 2009 reach 2011, he just dey collect plenty award like hottest new male designer, designer of the year, best dressed man of the year, fashion brand of the year, designer of the year again for 2013. According to Ram, he talk say he find fashion as a place where he go take express himself. So na fun all the way. He love clothes well.
I don't have a very interesting fashion story, to be honest. I'm not one of those that were sketching things on their parts since they were 3 years old and went to fashion school and honed their skills on the major streets of Savvy Row or Italy and stuff like that. I don't have that kind of interesting story, to be honest. I got into fashion out of love of clothes.
That's now why you no fit see him for the same clothes for too long, because anyhow way fashion take come, na so you go take follow am sharply. Though he get his own style, he still dey follow anything wey be new fashion. For designers wey just dey rise, he advise say fashion designing no be just design and make person fit put clothes together. No, fashion designing na business, like say make person get restaurant, hotel, pharmaceutical company or bank. So if you want do fashion business designing, know say na business you want enter. Once you know that one, you go do well for fashion designing. We celebrate you, my Atafo. Oh yeah, sharply, come design with Talk ladies. Well done.
I like men with the dress like say tomorrow.
In fact,
No see wedding attires, the wedding outfits where they do.
when you see man, where sabi dress, when not just sabi, he can't know him, he can't they dress like that. Ooh.
And I love men in blue suits. And it be like saying one of his specialty in like make it the dress men in blue suits.
I
Like
love
Banty
men.
W and the rest
You know,
of them.
I love men where fit actually rock colors.
Yes.
Because some men they wear colors and they no fit pull them
Yes,
off. But
true.
some men go wear the color and you go say, wow, this is a color.
People like who wear they wear color. You don't know.
My Atafo they wear colors.
Yes.
Jim Ike they wear colors, but sometimes they get them wrong.
Okay.
Almost all
Jim
the
Ike
time.
they try.
What about
Chris Brown?
Benro.
They wear colors.
Benro.
Ajibade
Thank
they
you.
wear colors.
They wear colors.
Even our own Ogbolo for here for
Ogbolo
Wazobia
they
TV.
wear colors.
yeah,
They rock
sometimes.
them, yes.
Obi Martins, Obi
Yes.
Martins, they like
Obi they wear colors,
Obi they wear
yes.
color.
And you know, funny enough, pink don't become like something where guys even feel rock because normally they believe saying only girls not supposed to
No,
do
it
rock
take a very
pink.
bold man to rock,
rock
pink.
pink.
And they rock and
But
very
it
well.
gets as them go rock am like Maya Tafo. And you go say, wow. Betiana's words, he's a beautiful man.
Oh wow.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
must
but
be on point.
Oh,
because
yeah.
Very.
If you don't get swag, even if it fits you, if you don't get swag, you know go still deliver within it.
You don't get the
Colours where you know say,
charisma.
yeah,
Break it
colors
down.
where you know say you know feel rock. No even dare
No
am,
dare
because
am.
they very dare. But for Jemai maybe sometimes it they overdo am, but
Yeah.
it they dare all the. I don't see Jemai on lemon green. I don't see him on red. I don't see him on pink. I don't see him on yellow. So now person will be say it they dare colors, and
like
I
am for
really
colors.
appreciate them for a guy to the dare colors.
I tell you. All right, so we're going to need to send you our funny video of the day. Make we see whether it will make you laugh or it will make you cry.
You know if you cry.
You know if you
Let's
cry.
say the cry now from laughter.
Funny video.
Now can we have one with the bridesmaid? Lovely. Now anyone who's wearing a suit for the first time. Super. Now drunk uncles, all drunken uncles. Now, everyone who was invited out of politeness but wasn't expected to turn up. Okay. Super. Now, anyone who slept with the bride. Vicar? Yes, Vicar? At the back, please. I'll need the timer for this one. Go. Now, anyone who slept with the groom. And anyone who thinks this will last.
Now, wow, you can imagine how some brides don't. Hey, God. I don't feel imagine now.
No, you know, say this is not even different because I get story of a particular girl. You know, as girls they do when they campus now, school and everything. I get story of a particular girl where say she go party and she can't realize say the table where they put on for the party, she don't actually swearing here with all the guys where they that table. And she go there with her boyfriend.
So how you fit
Now
avoid
set
that?
up.
I don't understand.
Now set
Avoid
up.
You can't avoid it now.
You need to be careful. Zip up.
Be careful.
No, zip up is the careful.
Zip up is the careful.
Do you want to be doing pure outside?
Are you a cheerful giver?
What animation? So I don't understand, but I just did talk
Animal shower
and
na chef giver.
very
She's not
careful.
letting you on to
That's animal. That's you get, but you know they hold them. You
Okay,
get,
that's
you know
what
they
it
hold
is,
them. So
animal
you
shower.
give.
And a cheerful giver now.
Wow.
But anyways, congratulations to the couple who finally take their picture at the end of the day.
You know the beauty about them? They're not carrying any secrets inside their marriage.
Yes, exactly.
They're still married.
But the
We don't know whether they're married.
They're married.
or
They're already married now.
Oh.
So the
Nah,
secret
wedding
can't
picture.
come out exactly wedding pictures. So the secret can't come out. after the wedding.
Oh,
it's
nice
good.
one.
It's nice one.
Yeah, Amaka will get another
Yes.
video.
It
I go want disappear for that moment.
Disappear. I will pray ground open, swallow me.
Wait. Now, don't see some children, they like do some kind of silly things like this.
Okay.
As in very silly.
Very silly. I know say when you small, you go don't do them.
You do
watch
what?
one video. We want small pikin decide say she won't show us. We just watch that video. Oh, come back, we go talk.
Listen, Amaka things now to the left.
I tell you.
Video now.
Mix and well.
Everything they call wicked combination.
Rice and sand.
What is this? Her favorite meal. Her favorite meal.
Are you eating?
She's cooking.
Yes. I hope so. I enjoyed that beautiful concoction of rice and
But
sand.
you know what? Make I just ask this question. What be that thing where you do when you small, or when your mama don't tell you say, "Hey, when you small, you do this kind of badness." Because
No.
all of us we get
I
that
tell you
silly
what's
moment.
concerning this, especially this food thing. When I get smaller, okay, the house when we stay where I grew up for, we get plenty plants, flowers, different species of plants. There we get garden. So if afternoon don't return, I don't come from school, I don't wash my uniform, I don't chop, I don't do my siesta, I can't carry comb. You know this empty comb of Milo. I go down save them. They go on children. I go down hide them for inside house. I can't go. I can't put stone. I go do like say I won't cook. I can't put the cocoa on top. I can't put water. I can't carry leaf. Different leaf. I go cut them. I go put inside. I can't go inside my mama kitchen. I can't. This one now curry, maggi, everything. I go they put everything inside. When she catch me, hey, the beating no be here. As in, for my mind that they cook, but I can't say yeah. Daddy, come on in. My papa say no be this kind of food. I go chop.
You know anything that I cook well as well. This is cook we do have, but I don't do like this girl. We no carry sand. You know what we do? Me and my friend get my landlady pikin. Yeah, but she dey watch me. She go. We go their house. The house get yard. You know this when you dey village. I don't know. They just say we hit 2 stones together. We go catch fire.
Yeah. So now they try them.
Yeah.
And they work.
My dear, we now form. We go form and now we go do.
No, but it get the type of stone where
Na rock.
Like this round
rock.
head.
Na rock.
So we come and do am. When he light the grass, so we don't put them. We come they put this big concom, put am. You know what we dey cook? Palm kernel.
I said, "Na cook better." Me when they cook leaf.
How they want to cook palm kernel? You know when they don't cook. And the nut go.
The nuts, now they cook and make it done. No, my own.
Now no get work, they do that one.
I do this cooking thing because my mom too, they cook well. So what thing I do be say, me and my cousin, she dey watch. Oh, mom, I'm sorry, I have to just say this. Sorry.
You can't even call her name. No,
Ah.
don't call her name. Nice.
Sisterly, she sabi slice okra. Once they just make okra, now her favorite soup be that. She go steal like 3, she go hide them. Meanwhile, you know, say when he don't strong, he go strong, you know, if he slice them. No, we they keep am. The day we won't do our own soup, we go cut. The thing will just stand like this. And so we go cook. Yeah! You know when you cook okra, when the thing don't come upside. That's all of us go, they rejoice. I see, we they happy. You know, say they eat this food. Nothing they do us. But once we eat party rice, na poju. Our own food where we cook, we dey eat and nothing they do us. One day my mom and her mom when they come back from meeting,
They catch you.
they just see us when we bend down, they blow fire. Her mom just say, "What you now they do for them?" Now come around. Now she say, "We dey cook the one we want say we don't eat finish." Because we get different. I don't know be small one. Big bomb vita, you know say those days. Those containers, that thing that they use. We don't hit and go around like pots like this. I don't have serious business.
The one where I don't say we actually do well, even till now.
No
my
code
sister.
No code, I thought true.
I go tell you now.
Princess.
Even till now, my sister once in a while would just do and be say, we know we don't watch all those Spanish people they cook and everything, but we go to see that they bring in some kind of they just put together. So because we formulate our own mango, we never ripe. We go pluck them, cut them, chop them into different. This
It go be like cube.
Thank you. Put pepper. Put salt, put Maggi. We call her, I don't forget the name. But I don't say one mangoriki something. Now we call her. I don't forget the name. It's sweet. It go make the mango ripe. Imagine say you they put seasoning inside. You don't put seasoning. You don't put salt. You don't put pepper.
See. Maybe person go try this thing later.
No, don't be play. Days for children.
Serious.
You know they harmful. And I like
I say we do one
food.
now. As we don't old, so we do one. My mom still bring mango. We never ripe. No, not say never ripe like that. It just ripe small.
We still hard.
We still hard. Now we cut am. When my sister say, remember that thing? Let's do it. Cut am. Put pepper on top. Put salt. Cut that like this.
Margarita.
I don't forget them.
That's my really for my life.
But really, all of us do some silly things.
Plenty.
Hey!
Fire rating.
Eba. Eba. We'll make eba like this mold and fry and for granite. We'll put salt, pepper inside the eba when we make. Then we'll fry and chop.
But you know, say that in a hunger, stroke, poverty. Because I remember when I did secondary school, when you reach middle of term, like this baby say your money don't finish, provision don't almost finish. Especially for us Lagos students, because I school for Delta State. Where you don't see anything, now that time you go no survival of the fittest.
We
can't go back of our vice
everything.
principal. We go they pluck fruit. Nah, against the rules, but we go. Then they call us, we go run. When we don't pluck cashew finish, we will come they break the nut. We will come they roast nut for evening. We go the gist family gist. We will come they roast them for fire. Ask me what's be the fire.
What's be the fire?
Candle.
Cashew nut.
Candle.
You know what? If you want to make we open our mouth like this, just tell us that silly thing when you do when you small. I beg. Send us now. Enter Twitter at Wazobia. Tell us that silly thing when you do when you small, because I know say every pikin do. My brother na goat shit be the chop.
Hey!
We gonna need to buy small break. When we come back, we go yarn you some kind of relationship things there. When you need to know, we they come back.
If we brother catch her.
Well, you go beat you. That beat will never beat you. You go beat.